see my screen as well. This is your October, November 2025. Okay, paper 3. We will be doing not the spreadsheet part, but we will be doing the web page. So the very reason I've been asking you to do the old papers was because your 1617 style is appearing again. Okay, where you have to make this. This point came before as well. You will create a new external style sheet and edit a web page for the website. All color codes must be in hexadecimal. Your style must not contain HTML or scripting language. Create a new style sheet that meets the following requirement. So we have to make a CSS file with the following requirements. So simply what we'll do is that's the folder we have. Okay. Somehow this is what I'll simply delete this and okay. Uh, this is I'll just rename this so that so always copy because we have to save the file in this particular location. Okay. So file new. Or obviously, if you know where your folder is, just see, keep on saving your file over there. So the CSS file has to be saved as, so I open a CSS and CSS has to be saved as where? Over here in this folder. And it should be named as you can see over here is TC underscore followed by your name. So it will be named as this. Let's say I'll have is Mr. Saem dot CSS. Because it has to be .css file, obviously, right? Okay. Set the background for the web page so that the color is this. So we have to first of all make is CSS designer and we have to use is the body. Okay. So the body simple and the body is supposed to have the background color RGB, which is D8 DDFF. So D8 DDFF, right? Then set the background to have a single image this badge and place in the top left corner of the page. So we need to simply add this badge outside. One second. I'll just make sure I think so. Uh, File, save as. Did you save it? Let me confirm once more. Yeah, that's CSS file. Yes. So I was saying was image should be this one, the badge. Wasn't copied. Why is it saying so? Why is it saying so? Oh, no. The only problem is coming is my file. This file is in some other folder,
हमने
and
फोटोशॉप नहीं करना
है
हमने फोटोशॉप
नहीं
नहीं करना
बेटा जब स्कूल खोलेगा तब करेंगे ठीक है let me continue with this okay well, it will be a lot better if we do it well, but it's very basic for shop not very advanced see it was wrong folder it was the other folder so attach this file and what they're saying is in the top left corner emphasize on this so how do we attach this in the top left corner isko dekh lo you simply come here and you will see over here is body and you will see over here. So if you want it to be in So no, it's background image. Sorry, we want this image. The point over here is image है हमारी वो कह रहे हैं कि it should be a single image, should not repeat it because it's a background. Keep in mind. Okay, पहली तो बात है background में है. तो सबसे पहले तो we'll make sure that the background that we have, okay, it should not be repeated first of all. Okay, and the background position should be what? Left, and it should be top left, right? So we have added a single image, no repeat, and placed in the top left corner, right? Set the style sheet for all the table so now we have to make a table tag. So simply what we do is make table tag, and the table tag is supposed to have what? Let's see. They're saying is the table tag borders are not collapsed. Okay, so first of all, what we have to do is come into border not collapse means is what? That if collapse means that there should be a single border. Okay, so you can see over here is border collapse. We'll make it separate. Do you want it collapsed, which means collapsed, or do you want it separate? Okay, so not collapsed means separate, obviously. Both the border spacing and the cell padding are 20. So border spacing of this should be 20. So we can simply have over here is you can let's see, do we have it? Border collapse, border spacing. I can type it myself. Border spacing, see, it comes on its own. What should it be? 20. 20 px pixels. That's what they said? Yes. And the cell padding. अच्छा बेटा एक बात याद रखना, जो cell padding है ना, that needs to be done in TD. Okay, why? Because the padding is actually of the cells. Okay, so if you want to temper the internal cells, it should be done in the TD tag. Okay, so I can say over here is padding should be 20. Yeah, all will be 20. ठीक हो गया? Anything else left? All borders are right line. Very important. How do we do that? Listen carefully. The table are right aligned in the browser window. So इस टेबल को अगर हम राइट लाइन करना है ना, इसके लिए हम क्या करेंगे? राइट लाइन के लिए I will position this. I will simply make this auto और राइट लाइन के लिए इसको मैं कर दूंगा simply in pixels 0 pixels. समझ आई? So which means right line. Right is 0, मतलब right line है. 0 में there is no space. So extreme right पे है. And left means obviously according to the window automatically it will adjust it. So that's how we align it. Okay, left auto and this. So that's how we do it. So something new for today's class. Okay, so do you see there are some new points? Maybe a new point 1, new point 2, new point 3. Is that clear, all of you? Okay, right.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Right. Okay. Another thing, another new point is create a new class center. अब classes क्या होती है? मतलब देखो, your um, CSS does is limited. If you want multiple table tags, you can actually have dot table one, dot table two, dot table three. Okay. So you can create class. How do you create a class? We'll discuss this later in more detail in the class and the class. So dot you center. That's how you make it. Okay, by using dot you make it, and obviously the properties of it. हमने करना क्या इसमें? We just have to define over here is simple. What they're saying is define a class that forces all text to be center aligned. Very simple. So all you do is just make all the text center aligned. Dot center. Okay. मैं क्लास को दोबारा डिस्कस करूंगा in the next class. Okay, so somehow we are done with all this. All we have to do is just um, type your name, your center number, and your candidate number over here. Okay, just type those as a comment, and then you place it in the evidence document, and you just save the file. ठीक है? इसके बाद कौन सा part आता है आपका? So open this file. Fine. Do what? Edit the webpage so that it has structure shown in diagram. The dotted borders are for your information and show the structure of the table and the cells. These must not be visible on your page. Fine. Attach the style sheet this to the web page. Attach the style sheet saved in step 13. So first you have to attach this and then we have to attach the one that we created. So what do? You simply come into Windows, again CSS Designer, Sources. So attach first of all is this file that they're saying is this file. Okay. Then they're saying is attach the other one that we made. So which is this one and okay. So you see the one that we made uh, is being attached. So obviously the priority is of the style sheet which is attached afterwards with meaning down. So this has lower priority, this has more priority in the coding. Remember this point, okay? Right. Set the title to the web page as this. So all I do is, you can see is I don't have a title. So inside the head, I can have the title. So what I will do is, here you go. Title. That's the title, right? Next, what we have is point number 17. Make the text contact us a link to the email editor to prepare an email to this with a subject line this. So I think so I was solving with the class. This is what we want. We've discussed this before. So what I'll do is I will simply select this, contact us, and this has to be linked. Okay, so how do we do that? If you remember, come into the properties. In the link, you just have to type this. क्या भला? Remember this? Mail to the following email address, question mark, subject this. याद आया? This is what we're supposed to do. You have to remember this. मैंने last time कहा था you have to cram this. पेपर में आता है. In the lower right side of the table, replace the text with your name, sender, candidate number, and apply the class center. So over here you can see is वो कह रहे हैं कि इसको बस replace कर दो. Let me close this. Okay, so just have your details. Let's say just sign any details, right? GSJDI, whatever. And they're saying is apply this to Windows properties. And you see over here is class attached to this center. ठीक हो गया? Right, we've done this as well. ठीक हो गया. I think so. We're almost done. What else? Set the in HTML the name of the default target to self. Default target बेटा ये होता है कि हमने discuss probably किया होगा that in the head tag, I'll discuss this again. The meta tags again. I think so. Meta tags we have discussed, वो दोबारा हम कर लेंगे. Meta tags में base target means that all the links that you have will open up base target is what? Underscore self. Okay, so self. So all the links will automatically open up in this particular window, which is known as underscore self. Okay, a universal declaration, you can say. So we're done. Set meta tag. We'll discuss this later on. Set the meta tag in the HTML to include your name as the author of the web page. Although I can do it right now, but maybe we can discuss it in more detail. So we can have over here. Oh, meta name. Oh, sorry. Oh, इसमें क्या करना है हमने? Include your name as the author. Okay, name Mr. Saem, right? So we can do it this way, but we'll discuss in detail later on. So we've done this. Save your web page, take a screenshot of your uh, HTML coding and the browser as well. So इसको करते हैं हम save. Okay, and if I preview this, so this is what we have, and that's the way it is. ठीक है. So fine. Obviously, you have to take one or two screenshots to view the entire web page. Bit odd, but that's the way this page was supposed to be. Quite empty सा है. Control minus करके देखता हूँ. No, but that's the way it would be. Right? So this is how this was supposed to be done. I hope it's clear. I'll share the files. Make sure you attempt it yourself. Let me just somehow confirm something again. मैं चीज confirm कर लूँ. CSS top left right ठीक है 0. That's all done. Just have to confirm कि सब कुछ है. Padding भी सही है. Auto 20 separate repeat ठीक है. राइट बेटा. सो वी डन. अब आप ये पेपर ना एज ए क्लास वर्क खुद सॉल्व करो. आई विल शेयर द फाइल्स विद यू इन द ग्रुप. ओके, मेक श्योर यू स्टार्ट डूइंग इट राइट नाउ. ओके,
Okay,
राइट, ऑल
sir.
ऑफ यू. ओके, ओके बेटा.
Yes.